laundry in my room. Tons of laundry, honestly, and I still have some in the washer. I have piles of stuff I need to hang up, a lot of the kids' clothes, and mostly my clothes and my boyfriend's clothes. Today I do have a little bit of an agenda. I need to go pick up my new business cards. They are done and printed and ready for me to pick up. Oh yeah, and I'm going to the store to get some like cute candy or something to fill these baggies I'm making. Hey, so we finna go to the hair store. Mila just got her hair done. She did not like it.
Yep, put it in. Like, yep, more. Yep.
It's a really slow day. I just been doing laundry for real all day today. And then cleaning up. Ma'am, put these socks on. And then put your shoes back on so we can go. That's your fault, Mila. You should never lost your tablet. I'm sorry. She thinks she finna watch my phone. She not. Oh girl, I'm not trying to hear it. I semi-cleaned my closet. I still have to organize and stuff like that. But we're getting there. We put a dent in our cleaning day. One of my gems fell off, but mind you, I did not really do the aftercare to the T. That's that. I got some new business cards and I made them on Canva and they literally were ready for me the next day. I literally did it yesterday, I believe. I ordered them yesterday and they were done the next day. So shout out to Canva because yeah, I had to update my business cards because I added tooth gems and teeth whitening. I see you. You peeking at me? She always be looking at me when I do my videos. I am starting to do tooth gems now. My little tooth gems then came off, but some of them. But I really want to do like a spring set, so I'm trying to see if I can get someone in to do the spring set because this is so cute. Like, look at this one I made. Oh my gosh, isn't it so cute? Like with the little flower. I really don't like bringing my kids to the shop just because they loud. And I mean, they're 4 and they're 8, so like what else would I expect? I wouldn't expect nothing else of them. Goldie paid us today. My goal, okay, so what I was looking for, what I really wanted would be like to make $1,000 today. But I just took half of $1,000 today just because of how it's reacting to this area here. Hey guys, I'm about to go out tonight. So I'm wearing these black pants. I'm wearing this shirt.
We about to head out.